Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on VIVO X90 Pro. And to do this, first let's locate the slot on this device, and it's on the bottom right here. We'll need to remove the cover. Now take a needle for the SIM and stick it in a gap right here. It should release the slot, and now there's one SIM slot right here and another one on the bottom, and that means this phone does have a dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.